Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to clean up the chrome on my car. I'm also using this new video mic Go 2 from Rode, so let me know if the audio quality is increased. I'm just testing it out now. It's the first video that I'm recording with it, so I'm anxious to see how it turns out, and I hope the audio will be better from now on, especially for the vlogs. I also ordered some other stuff. I have some polishing pads as I want to polish out the spots that I have on the chrome. So I bought some extra polishing pads for that. I have the Hex Logic pads from Chemical Guys. I used those before, so we'll be using those. This is some free microfiber towel, and I got a clay mitt to see how that works. I always use the clay block before, and I have some new Glart towels to dry the car off. This is also a future project. That's some matte black what do you call it, vinyl wrap from 3M for the Mini Coupe, and I have some new materials to wrap cars. I got a new knife. This also has a different angle to it, so it should be better for wrapping and making clean cuts, because I had some issues with that. Some spare blades, proper wrapping gloves, because I had some cheap ones and they left all kinds of materials on the wrap, so these are a bit high quality, so it should be fine. And a few different how you call it, squeegee things with felt on it. I don't know what it is. And I got some CarPro air freshness. But yeah, that's all future content. So let's take a look at the chrome first. So this is what I am working with today. It's all these chrome spotting things that I want to get rid of. It's all along this front bumper. And there you can see it really well. It's on this bottom bumper, or on the chrome strip, and this mirror cap also has it. And it's not something that can brush it off, but it doesn't come off easily with just some microfiber cloth. And this one has a tiny bit of it, but it's not as worse as the other side. I don't know why that side's worse than driver's side, but yeah, it's a bit weird, because I would assume that one had it more than the other one, because this one is under the carport thingy. But yeah, so that's for today's video. There's no real chrome, the handles, but they are fine. There's no real chrome left on the back, so there's no need to do that. So yeah, basically this mirror cap, this front of the car, the whole chrome part, and maybe a bit on that one. And I'm gonna see if I can just polish it out with my polisher. So yeah. And this is the final result. Chrome came out nice and high gloss, just a bit of polish, that's all that was needed. Yeah, took me about an hour or two, but I really like how the finished result came out. So fortunately it was nothing weird or strange stuff happening to the chrome itself, so I'm very happy with it. Also the mirror caps came out looking great. That was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future content. Yeah, stay tuned if you want to see all the updates and rep and everything else that's still in the garage for coming videos. For now, thank you for watching and have a very nice day.